On 25th June, Hurichand Tokbi lost his life after falling from a bamboo bridge at Dillai River, Rongpimplam. In response to this tragic incident, a team of Karbi Students Association led by Hurichand, AGS, Central Committee, Bida Singh Ingling, Organizing Secretary, Jana Singh Bey, Sports Secretary and Mohez Teron, President of Deephu branch, visited the house of the victim. Hurichand with his team paid their deepest condolences to the deceased family. He had also questioned Joyras Rongpi, the contractor of the bridge, as to why it is not completed yet. KSA appealed the CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to compensate ₹10 lakhs to the family of Hurichand Tokbi and also to complete the bridge at Dillai River at the earliest. KSA also warned to agitate in the upcoming days if their demands are not fulfilled.
CM हम समय जे अलांग लिटुम फान के फोडेट a family tumhan bangke jum nice tame lak ke batangka pinang ji pusin nitum hipen jongpolo lapen labang so dolong bangke nal tum bangke nang ceklem serak nang pu pusin nitum han pen jokpolo nal tum jong se labang so dolong nang patang te pulutan nil tum karbilo chalia song hin pen lan ben chatali daga rong sirke rong ke barat che song se nil tum halabang so ga che song nitum ahiring tara pe che song ji lasi nilitum karbilo chalia song hin pen nang chuni tholo de nal tum han labang so a family tum han compensation tangka piserai phansin tum naturally lo lapen halabang so adolong same prabjin ben ke patai phansi nil tum pen na tum han chuni so.
The families of Hurichand Tokbi had also appealed the government to look after them and to complete the bridge. They also sought financial assistance from CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to perform the last traditional rites of Hurichand Tokbi.
So jong si abidat putte aur suke chuklam bik tek the chudam bik tek the la sinon turi ram rong hang sal hanili tunga chuning rijike nang kerap nang piing nang ji la pen piso aso pamar pha nang la ikpinai pusi chuning rilo la pen tuwar ik bank nili tungke nang piing nang pon tuwar nang piig lote nili tungke nili ning samjin po la sinang piig bek nang ji la pen nang rap ik bek nang nili tungke karbi aron ke pang thing nang ji hai hoita do la sin nili tungke cholong ik thek thelo nili tungke rong aso rada so la sin nili tungke ke nang rap ik nang pol la non ke pang thir ji phan ke nili tungke nang piig bek nang po pusi chuning rilo
ta la bang so adolong bang non anta ave dera song se thek long lo tu je adolong bang itum phan pulo je hala dak post bang parjablo ro do iltum antin na theklong lo je alangli hatla bang so pos ningkan thompli aprang busipu ta alangli patang te delo alangli contractor men iltum chini lo dak ke bang pen ke alangli ke joyras rongpi busipu tame alangli tame kopi posi patang te den mapu iltum hin ben arjunang ko lo je piniason iltum ke phonang ke laki itum ke damtang bus tame penakan labang so arong along kecelat atum tame hala bike ha hui ke dam pens tame langklo pachak dolo pusipu.
Bijay Rongpi's report from Dillai for Karbi Anglong Live.